Hey there guys, in this video let's see how to find square root in Python. So I'm just opening Thorny IDE, and before that I have already written a blog post on how to find square root in Python, and you can also find the source code over here and also here. This is the user input source code. So I will show you how the square root in Python works. So I'm just entering number is equal to 8, and so the value I'm entering here is 8, and I'm asking, so I will enter another variable, that is number is equal to, and enter the variable, and we are entering this, this is for the square root, and I am entering the particular number. So let's print it out. So I'm just entering the f string, and the square root of 8 is, so I will just run this program. So we can see that the square root of 8 is 8, and I think I made a mistake, so I have to now enter this particular variable. So I will enter this particular variable. Let's run it. So we can see that the square root of 8 is this. So this is how to find the square root in Python, and also you can enter the input function for the user to enter the input value. So I'm just entering, num is equal to input. So let's add float in front, float input, and let's add please enter the value. Let's run it again. So it is asking for the value, so I'm just, and so I'll run this again. So it is asking for please enter the value, so I will just enter 33 and the square root of 33. So I will just take it off. Now you can see that the square root of 33 is this. So this is how to find the square root in Python. So I hope this video helped you a lot, so make sure give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.